famous thing on the Golden Circle and to do in Iceland is to visit this amazing waterfall. This is the Gullfoss Waterfall, one of the most visited, the second largest in Iceland, and apparently at sunset, which is right now, it has a beautiful color. If you go in certain positions, you can see like a rainbow forming in its water droplets as they are flying through the air when the water is dropping. So a lot of things are happening. Anyway, it's very nice. And I think I have water all over my camera right now. It's some sort of European Niagara Falls. And yeah, it's very nice. It's very windy, so I'm feeling quite chilly right now. But you can go and walk all the way there. I can see people like basically in the middle of the waterfall. So you need to bring waterproof like thing, raincoats and stuff like that. And you can also walk on top of the cliff. So yeah, and the parking is free as always. Cool. Waterfall chasing in Iceland. Here we go. Hey. Yes, indeed. The waterfall is impressive, but it's very wet. And windy. It's everywhere. Waterfalls. Very, very wet. Windy situation, but it's beautiful, and we were blessed with beautiful light at sunset. Well, it's not really sunset, it's just 10, no, it's 8:30, so it's not even close to sunset, but it's a bit sunny right now, and it offers the best view of the waterfall. Earlier we could see even a little rainbow here, so that was really cool. But it's extremely windy right now. So make sure you bring all the necessary equipment for windy situations. It's really, really pretty. So yeah, I get why this is one of the most popular places to visit in Iceland. And that's it for today. We'll continue our exploring tomorrow.
This is a waterfall that's very similar to the one in the Niagara Falls in America. The only difference that I can think of is that there's no crazy guy trying to dive into the falls in a barrel, which I'm very sorry not to have witnessed.